Guys, sorry it's so dark right now in my house. It's just that it's late at night, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about this run deal. So I went to Victoria's Secret, and they had these lip gloss. Well, I had seen it online, and then I posted it on my couponing group. And if you haven't joined, go ahead and join. I'll leave a link in the description box. But it said it was $3 for these lip glosses that was like 25 bucks. And I was like, oh, that's a good deal. So I wanted to head out. So I ran to the mall just for that. Not realizing they have a huge sale. So I have pictures that I'm going to include in the end of the video. But so I was able to get it. So let me tell you what happened. It is not at my store. It was not marked. There was no $3 sign. There was nothing like that. What I seen was it was on the area that says 65% off. I'm going to show you exactly which ones to get. So it was only 2 left. There was one girl that was there holding the item, talking to the lady. And the lady said it'll be $8.50 or something like that. And then I came in and I just snatched the other one up because I knew it was $3. So I was like, after I snatched it up and I said, hey, can you price check this for me? Because I think it's $3. And she goes, no, it's $8.50. And I said, no, it's $3. I said, because I seen it in the group. And I said, I didn't tell her I put it on, but I just was like, I seen it in the group. And, so I just explained to her and I showed her the picture, on my page. And she was like, oh, well, let me check. So she went and checked and it was $3. Now, let me tell you guys, I was going to get quite a few, but there was only one more in the store. So I'm actually going to go to another Victoria's Secret tomorrow, but it's almost 9 o'clock where I live at. So I can't go tonight. But get however many you want, put them in your bag, your little Victoria's Secret bag, and then ask somebody to check it because people are going to overhear you. Like that lady was like, what, $3? I should have grabbed them both, and people get greedy when it comes to stuff like that. So get what you need and then go ahead. But there were some awesome deals. Let me show you what I got. I did a little small haul. I did save $100, so I'm excited about that. So let me show you. Okay, so here's the set right here. It looks like this, okay? So the first one's Minty Shine, Sheer Flavor Gloss. So it looks like that. So those are the colors so that you know. It sells retail price $25, comparable to value $60. Y'all, this was $3. Normally $25. This was a really, really, really good deal. So like I said, just do like I told you guys, put them in your basket first and then ask questions later, okay? And don't be loud about it unless you guys have all what you need. Okay, there's that. Then I grabbed this. These were all $5. Well, they're 2 for $10. And then she said you had to buy 2 of them, but she went ahead and gave it to me for $5 because it didn't say that I had to buy 2 of them. So I bought one, and it's a coconut milk ultra cream, but they have like all the sprays, like the body mist, all the stuff is like 50% off or $5. I mean, it's such a good deal. So I just grabbed that. And then I grabbed this bra. You guys, this is a nice bra too. It's like a workout bra. It's kind of hard. I'm not in my normal spot where I normally record, but the normal price of this, $60, y'all, $60. And I got it for $19.99. So that is a excellent bra, okay? And then I grabbed this other bra that's kind of like a lace bra. Same thing. This one was priced at $44. Wait, how much was it? Yeah, $44. And I got it for 19 bucks. So right here, so the 2 bras were 19. That little face wash was $5. And then that lip gloss was $3. I paid $47.98. But altogether, everything came up to, like I said, it was about $150 or so. And so I got that price. So if y'all can, I'd advise y'all tomorrow or tonight, get out there, run. Especially grab those lip gloss. Those will make excellent, like, Christmas presents, birthday presents. Man, I really was going to rack up on these. I'm so disappointed. So yeah, so run grab those. I would say this is a run deal, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.